Laris chika. Donnie, binugking ang pinaka-sweetest na I love you ni Belle sa kanya. Saad niya, alam mo yun, pagkatapos niyong mag-away. Dagdag pa niya, the sweetest I love yous you can hear are during a fight because when things are easy, it's easy to fall in love. True love is when there are all the reasons to walk away yet to stay. When you find the right person, it's just beautiful to surrender things to that person. At nakilala ko na nga si Belle.